What happens if you move in the middle of your immigration application? I'm Erick Widman, I'm an immigration lawyer, and here in the US, it happens all the time. While you're applying for your green card or you're applying for citizenship, you might end up moving because of a job or you want to move to a different state in the US. For immigration purposes, you need to keep in mind that there are definite ramifications for moving. Non-citizens are required to report their updated address to USCIS within 10 days. You can do that online, that's the most convenient way to do it. But for those of you who have pending applications and you're considering moving at some point in the future, keep in mind that your move could have an impact on your pending application and specifically slow it down. That's because, for example, if you're applying for a green card, each field office within USCIS has a service district jurisdiction. And so people who live within that jurisdiction are going to go to one particular field office. Those who live outside of it are going to go to another one, whichever's closest. And so if you live in California and you move over here to Oregon, your field office that's going to adjudicate your case is not going to be California anymore. Your case will have to be transferred up here to Oregon. So depending on when you move, that could have a big impact on the timing of your case and delay it by several months, even up to a year in some cases that we've seen. So if you have the ability to wait longer before your move, if your interview is coming up, it's been scheduled, you might want to do that. And similarly, if you're naturalizing, it's a clear requirement that you have to spend 3 months in the service jurisdiction before that field office has actual jurisdiction over your case. So you have to have resided in that spot before you can apply to naturalize. So keep these key things in mind about when you change your address, and hopefully you have some control over that so you don't delay your case.